Rich Boys! You are back again. This is a color that speaks to me. I fear I am the target market. Nung na-receive ko to, girl, sobrang confused ako. Sabi ko, are you guys sending me somewhere? Charot. When I opened it, yun na yung laman. So sabi ko, tama ba to? This is their Earth Meets Sky collection. So basically, it's a blue and a brown. Blue and brown. Brown na nga, oh. Tinan nyo, naka-open siya sa sahig ko right now. Punta kayo sa sahig ko. Welcome to my sahig. Tingnan nyo! The colors are so pretty, lalo na yung blue. I love brown. I love brown so much. So this is the top. I would wear it na parang medyo naka-tuck in dito. Okay, so ito yung top natin. This is a medium. The fabric, I really like the fabric. Parang siyang nakabagsak over your body. It drapes nicely. And then these are the pants. Parang siyang sweatpants in a way, but not really sweatpants. Sweatpants, but put together. Ganun yun. Layo nga kayo sa akin. Ano ba yun? Lapit nyo kasi. Sakto siya sa ankles ko. I would have wished if it was a bit longer pa para, well, naka-heels din naman kasi ako ngayon. Yes, this is the brown. Meet the blue set that I love so much. I like this one a lot. Parang mas magaan yung hood ngayon. Kasi there were times na ang issue ko is medyo it rides up my neck kasi heavy yung hood. Pero it's still a really nice hood. Hindi siya nakakasakal. I love that. Medium, medium. Mwah, galing nyo guys.